Welcome back, children. So we have learned how to divide with a single digit number and how to divide with a two-digit divisor. We have learned how to divide with greater two-digit divisor also. Now we are moving on to some word problems. Okay. First question. See, they have given you decide when to use the remainder. See, after doing the division, we will have to decide whether we will have to use the remainder for getting the answer. Okay, we will see to that. Now moving to the first question. Read the first question, children. 876 people went to a rally in buses. Okay, 876 people went to a rally in buses. If 45 people could travel in one bus, if 45 people could travel in one bus. So, one bus, how many people can go? 45 people can go in one bus. How many buses were needed? How many buses were needed? That is the question. In one bus, how many people can go? 45 people can go. Total, how many people has to go for the rally? 876 people has to go for the rally. Okay. And in one bus only 45 people can go. So what about the next bus? What about the second bus? Second bus also only 45 people. What about the third bus? Third bus also only 45 people. So what are you seeing over here? Every bus is taking only equal number of children. Sorry, equal number of people. Every bus is taking only equal number of people. How many people in one bus? 45. Second bus, again 45 people. Third bus, again 45 people. So they are asking you, how many buses do they need for that? How many buses are needed for all these 876 people to go for the rally? What operation will you all do here, children? I have told you, every bus is taking equal number of people. Equal number. So what operation? Yes, you have to divide over there to get the number of buses. Okay. So the first statement, number of people going for the rally. How many people are going for the rally? 876 people. Then, number of people in one bus. Number of people in one bus. That is equal to 45. So the question is, how many buses are needed? So you write the third statement, number of buses needed. As I told you, every bus is taking equal number of people. To find out the number of buses, we have to divide 876 divided by 45. 876 divided by 45. So now we will divide and see, children. 876 divided by 45. Remember how to divide? Starting with two digits. You are having the divisor as 45. So take two digits from here. 87. 87 is greater than 45. So we can start our division. Okay. We can start our division. Now you have to decide in 45 table. You have to find out a number either equal to 87 or less than 87. Now where is that you have to find out? What is the method that I have told you on? You will take the first digit from here and the first digit from here. Fourth table where you will get 8. Yes, 4 2s are 8. So try what is 45 into 2. What do you get? 45 into 2. 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. It's 90, that is more than 87, which we cannot use. So what will we take? We will take 45 into 1. So 1 time. See where I have written the quotient? I have written it above 7 because that is the last digit that I have taken now. So I have to start from there. 45. When I minus, I get 2 here and I get 4 here. Bring down 6. Now I have to decide from 45 table which number I have to take. See, again, take 4 and take the first two digits. I told you when you are having 3 digits, take the first two. So you are having 4 there and you are having 42. 4 stable, Find a number less than 42. Yes, 4 tens are 40. But can we write 10 in the quotient? No. So we have to go for a single digit. So we will try what is 45 into 9. See what is 45 into 9. 9 5s are 45, carry 4. 9 4s are 36, plus 4 you get 40. 36 plus 4 you will get 40. So 405, that is less than 426. So 9 times 45 will give you 405. When you minus, you get 1 and you get 2 over here. Okay, children? So, what is the answer that you have got? 19. And how many people are left over? This is the people, children, because you have divided the by taking the number of people. How many people are left over? 21 people are left over. How many buses can be taken? You can take 19 buses, but still 21 people are left over. For them also we need one more bus. These 21 people also has to go for the rally. Isn't it? All the 876 people has to go for the rally. But there is balance 21 people left. These 21 people also need one more bus. So total how many buses they need? They will need 19 plus 1 equal to 20 buses are needed for all the 876 people to go. For all the 876 people to go. Understood? That is why they given you in the beginning. Decide when the remainder has to be used. When we have to use the remainder. Understood? We have to decide when to use the remainder. Understood, children? So here in this question we have used the remainder. Okay? Now moving to the next question. That's a homework for you. It's a similar type, but you have to decide whether you have to use the remainder or not. So whenever you are having a word problem, read it at least 2 times and then only answer it. Give short and simple statements. Okay, children? See, here also Mountain Climbing Club had rupees 950 to spend on cabs for its members. Total they had 950. If each cab cost rupees 47. Each cab means the cost of one cab is 47. Like that, how many cabs can they buy? Every cab is rupees 47. So like that, how many cabs can they buy? You decide what you have to do. Okay. Now coming to the next question. The equipment to be carried on a hike. What is hike, children? Hiking. People who go climb the mountains, isn't it? Equipment to be carried on a hike weighs 995 kilogram. The equipments which they wanted to carry while climbing. Okay, while climbing the mountains. What was the weight of it? The total weight was 995 kilogram. If 20 kilogram can be packed into one bag. If 20 kilogram can be packed into one bag. How many bags are needed to carry all the equipments? One bag how many kilogram? 20 kilogram. So like that, how many bags are needed for them to carry all the equipment? What do you have to do here? We have to divide. So write the first statement, children. Answer. Weight of the equipment to be carried. Or just write weight of the equipment, that is 995 kilogram. Then weight of the equipment in one bag. Weight of the equipment in one bag. That's equal to 20 kilogram. And they are asking you how many bags are needed to carry the. So write the number of bags needed. Number of bags needed. That is equal to 995 kilogram divided by 20 kilogram. They are asking you the number of bags. In the final answer, don't write kilogram and keep. Here they are asking you the number of bags. So we are going to divide and see. 995 divided by 20. It's very easy. If you know 2's table, you can write 20's table. So starting with 2 digit 99. It's greater than 20. Now find out from 20's table where you can get a number less than 99. Just think about 2's table. 2 ones are 2, so you will get 20. 2 2's are 4, so you will get 40. 2 3's are 6, so you will get 60. 2 4's are 8, so you will get 80. 2 5's are 10, you will get 100. So which one will you take? You will take 2 4's are 8, that is 20 into 4. 20 into 4, you will get 80. When you minus, you get 9 here and you get 1. Hope so you have understood. 2, I have taken 2's table and I have added a 0 at the end. That's all I have done. Okay. So, I got 19. Now, I bring down 5. Now, find out from 20's table a number less than 195. Find out from 20's table a number less than 195. Again, take 2's table. When you take 2's table, we found out till 2 5's are 10. Now, 2 6's are 12. So, it becomes 120. 2 7's are 14. So, it becomes 140. 2 8's are 16. So, it becomes 180. 2 9's are 18. It becomes 180. 2 8's are 16. So, it becomes 160. 2 9's are 18. It becomes 180. Then you have 2 into 10, that is 20, that is 200. So, we will take 9. We cannot take 10. You will get 180. When you minus, you get 15. Okay. So, how many bags are needed, children? 15 kilogram is left over. You have to carry that 15 kilogram also. They want to carry all the equipments. So, 15 kilogram is left over. So, how many bags will you take, children? 49 plus one more bag you have to take. So, you will take total 50 bags. See, I have used the remainder over here. I needed the remainder for the answer. 15 kilogram is left over. So, I need one more bag to take that 15 kilogram. Okay, children? Now, moving to the next question. A bundle of strong rope. A bundle of strong rope cost rupees 28. How many bundles can be bought for rupees 809? What is the cost of one bundle of rope? It is rupees 28. A bundle of strong rope cost rupees 28. A bundle of strong rope cost rupees 28. The cost of one bundle is rupees 28. So, how many bundles can be bought for rupees 809? 809 rupees is there. For that amount, how many bundles can be brought? How much money will be left over? There are two questions there. How much money will be left over? From where will you get that answer, left over? What have to do over here? What is the operation that we have to do here? You have to divide, because they have given you the cost of one bundle is 28. So, the cost of the next bundle will also be 28. The cost of the third bundle will also be 28. For this amount, how many bundles can we bring? Okay. So, write the statement. The cost of a bundle of rope. Bundle of strong rope also you can write. Rupees 28. Amount in hand. We don't know who is having the amount, so I am simply just giving you the statement, amount in hand, that is rupees 809. So, how many bundles can be brought? Number of bundles that can be brought. What do you have to do for this, children? To find the number of bundles, what do you have to do? You have to divide. So, rupees 809 divided by rupees 28. Now, we will divide and see. 809 divided by 28. Starting with two digits, 28, 80. Find out from 28's table. So, what do you do? Take the first digit 2 and the second digit and from the first digit from the dividend. 2's table where you will get 8? 2 4's are 8. So, try what is 28 into 4. Try what is 28 into 4. What do you get? 4 8s are 32, carry 3. 4 2s are 8, plus 3 you get 11, which is more than 80. So you can't go for 28 into 4. So try what is 28 into 3. Try what is 28 into 3. 3 8s are 24, carry 2. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, that is 84. That is also more than 80. So try what is 28 into 2. 28 into 2. 2 8s are 16, carry 1. 2 2s are 4, plus 1, 5. So you get 56. When you minus, you get 4 and then 2. Bring down 9. Again, 2 stable, find a number less than 24. I told you when you are taking 3 digits, take 2 at a time. Again, it is 2 10s are 20. We cannot go for 10. So, we will try what is 9. We will see what is 28 into 9. 28 into 9. 9 8s are 72, carry 7. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 will give you 25. That is more than 249. So, go for 28 into 8. Go for 28 into 8. 8 8s are 64, carry 6. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 will give you 22, which is smaller than 249. So, write 8, 224. When you minus, you get 5 and 2 here. So, 25. So, what can you see over here? How many bundles can be brought for this amount? 28 bundles can be brought for this amount. So, you write there 28 bundles. 28 bundles can be brought for this amount. There was one more question. How much money will be left over? Money left over. Money left over. How much is the amount that is left over? That is rupees 25. Understood, children? This is how you will answer. Now you have a homework question here. That is question number E. Hiking group needs 14 bottles of water a day. In one day, 14 bottles. If they carry 100 bottles of water with them, how many days can they trek? Trek means what? Trekking, climbing up mountains, hiking, trekking, all same. Okay, how many days can they trek? For one day they need 14 bottles. They are carrying only 100 bottles with them. So, how many days can they trek? What you will do? You have to find out the number of days. You have to divide and get the answer and decide whether you have to use the remainder or not. Okay, children? Now, I want you all to take exercise 4I page 88. 4I page 88. In that, exercise 4I page 88. There also you can see 4 word problems. It is based on division. Read it, write statements on your own, and you have to do it in your notebook. Okay, children? Do the division in your working column and write proper statements. Clear, children? Thank you.